How to delete payment method on Netflix. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to netflix.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, just tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and you can just head over to Manage Profiles. Once you go ahead and click on it, just go to your account settings. Once your account settings is open, if you want to add a new payment method, you're going to have to click on the Manage Payment Info button right here. Just click on it. And once you click on it, you'll get to this page. So once you get here, you can add a payment method because in order to remove, you need to add another payment method first. So in order to remove your current payment method, you're just going to have to add another one. Now select the kind of payment method you want to add. So if you select credit or debit card, enter all of your details and then click on save. And you should be able to remove your previous payment method. But if you want to completely remove all of your subscription, just go to cancel membership and click on it. Then whatever you choose, it takes effect on this date and you'll be able to watch until then. So if you want to finish your cancellation, just click here. And if you come back within 10 months, your preferences and settings will be saved. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.